Learning key ITIL 4 service management concepts is essential in today's digital organizations. It's true that ITIL v3 concepts are still widely used in organizations and are embedded in many IT management tools. But the nature of organizations, their services, and how to manage them has changed with the advent of the age of digital organizations. ITIL 4 was designed to address this changing landscape to better match the terminology and practices that have come into common use in today's digital organizations. These practices have emerged to address the challenges that digital organizations face. You may recall that best practices are simply what people typically do now that works. Think about it. ITIL v3 was released in 2007, when the typical target environment that we managed was what we refer to now as traditional IT, largely physical and on-premise with no mobile apps. Now in many organizations, it's primarily a cloud mobile environment with some vestiges of physical on-premise equipment remaining. Also, how we manage our target environment has shifted from thinking and acting in terms of waterfall processes and departments or functions to practices, including those that have come into common use through the adoption of DevOps, Agile, and Lean ways of working. Trying to manage current technologies using practices suited to older technologies is like trying to work on a Tesla using the same tools and techniques as let's say, a 2007 diesel VW Golf. It's a complete mismatch. The bottom line is this. You want to learn the new terminology and practices that are better suited for today's digital organizations.